Hey there, crypto explorers! Today, we're diving into the magical world of Ethereum, a fascinating platform that's changing the way we think about money and technology. But what exactly is Ethereum? Let's find out. Imagine Ethereum as a giant digital playground where people from all over the world can come together to play games, build stuff, and even create their own money. Just like how you use tokens in your favorite video games, Ethereum has its own special tokens called Ether. These Ether tokens can be used to buy and sell things just like real money. But what makes Ethereum so special is that it's not controlled by any one person or company. Instead, it's run by a big group of computers all around the world called the blockchain. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Ethereum has something called smart contracts, which are like magical agreements that can automatically execute when certain conditions are met. For example, let's say you're a farmer who wants to sell your crops to buyers all over the world. You decide to use Ethereum's smart contracts to streamline the process and ensure fair transactions. You create a smart contract that says, as soon as a buyer sends the required amount of Ether tokens for a certain quantity of my crops, automatically transfer ownership of the crops to the buyer and release the funds to me. When a buyer is interested in purchasing your crops, they send the specified amount of Ether tokens to the smart contract. The smart contract verifies the payment and then automatically transfers ownership of the crops to the buyer. At the same time, it releases the funds to you, the seller. This automated process ensures that both you and the buyers are protected. The buyer receives the crops as soon as payment is made, and you receive payment without the need for any intermediaries or manual intervention. It's a secure and efficient way to buy and sell products or services using Ethereum's smart contracts. One of the coolest things about Ethereum is that it's decentralized, which means there's no one person or company in charge. Instead, it's powered by all the people who use it and the computers that run the network. This makes Ethereum really strong and secure because even if one computer goes offline, the rest of the network keeps on running. It's like having a superpowered team of superheroes protecting your digital playground. And there you have it, crypto adventurers! Ethereum is a magical digital playground where you can create, play, and explore new worlds. So next time you hear someone talking about Ethereum, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and happy exploring! Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on blockchain and cryptocurrency.